everyone, I am Jala from Speak Pure English with Jala. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about clothes and some phrasal verbs related to clothes. Clothes is in plural. We can also say clothing. So let's begin with the names of some clothes. T-shirt, long sleeve shirt, collared shirt, sleeveless shirt, polo shirt, vest, cardigan, blazer, jumper, sweater, suit, sheath dress, dress, bathrobe, hoodie, gown, beret, beanie, cap, hat, straw hat, top hat, derby hat, scarf, tie, bow tie, socks, stockings, joggers, pants, night pants, jeans, shoes, boots, high heels, trainers, sneakers, flip-flops. In American English, we say vest. In British English, waistcoat. In American English, we say overalls. In British English, dungarees. In American English, we say pants. In British English, trousers. Now I am putting on my jacket. And now I am taking off my jacket. Let's learn some other phrasal verbs to describe how to put on and take off the clothes. To dress up. It means to put on special clothes for special occasions. He dressed up beautifully for the party. When we dress up, we try to put on our best clothes. Have on. To be wearing a piece of clothing. The sweater I have on is red. Try on. To put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits you. Can I try on these pants before buying? I wanna know if they fit me. Wear out. To become damaged or useless. I have worn out my sweater. I have to buy a new one. Wrap up. To dress in warm clothes. It's December now and it's very cold. I need to wrap up well when I go out, as I don't want to get a cold. Throw on. To put on a piece of clothing quickly. In the past simple, we say threw on. I threw on my jacket and rushed out, as I was late. Do up. Fasten something. Do up your jacket. Do up the top button. Get into. To put on a piece of clothing with suitable size. My 7-month baby doesn't get into this singlet. She has become fatter and taller. Hang up. To put a shirt or something else on a hook or a hanger. Hang out. To dry clothes outside after washing. I hung the washing out. Zip up. To be closed by means of a zip. These are buttons. It's a color. Sleeves. We say, I am dressed in black. I am dressed in red. We can also use the present continuous. I am wearing a red sweater. Take up. To remove an item of clothing. Take in. To make a clothing narrower. My dress is too big for me. I want to take it in at the waist. Take up. To reduce the length of a piece of clothing. My skirt is too long for me. I need to take it up. Let out. To make a clothing wider. Turn up. Shorten pants, a dress, a skirt, so that they fit better. Slip on. To wear quickly and easily. Now let's learn the difference between fit, match, and suit. Fit means to be the right size and shape. This sweater fits me perfectly. It's just my size. Now let's try this jacket on. This jacket doesn't fit me. It's big for me. Match. To go with or look good with another item of clothing. I wanna buy these high heels. They match my handbag. This sweater matches this jacket. They look attractive together. When one item of clothing matches another one, they may have the same color, pattern, or style. I think these colors don't match. Suit. To look good on someone. Do you think this sweater suits me? I think so. I think this sweater suits me. It makes me look attractive. And red also suits me. I like long dresses, but long dresses don't suit me, as I am too short. They make me look funny. So if you learned something new, practice them in your speech. Put on those clothes that suit you and fit you. I know you're attractive, but beautiful clothes can make you look more attractive. See you next time!